Hey folks, welcome back to our kitchen. Chef Oswald here, and today I'm excited to share with you a delicious and healthy recipe for a special chickpea wrap. This dish is perfect for a quick and nutritious meal before a workout or anytime you're craving a tasty vegan option. Want to learn how to make it? Then stick with me for a few minutes. Let's take a look at the ingredients. Start by preparing the chickpea filling. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and sauté for about a minute until it becomes fragrant. Next, add the cooked chickpeas to the skillet. Season them with ground cumin, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, salt, and pepper to taste. Cook for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally so the chickpeas can soak up all those flavors. Wondering why we're adding cayenne pepper? Well, for one, it's super tasty, but it also contains capsaicin, which not only adds flavor and heat to the food, but can also boost metabolism, promote calorie burning, and improve blood circulation, potentially delivering more oxygen to your muscles during exercise. Moreover, cayenne pepper can stimulate the release of endorphins, providing a sense of well-being that can be beneficial before a workout, increasing motivation and energy. Alright, back to our stovetop. Add the juice of 1 lemon and continue cooking for a few more minutes until the chickpeas are lightly golden and well seasoned. To assemble the wraps, place a whole wheat tortilla on a flat surface. Spread a portion of the chickpea filling in the center of the tortilla. Add a portion of fresh greens, tomatoes, cucumber, avocado, and red onion on top of the chickpea mixture. If you like, drizzle with some vegan yogurt sauce or tahini dressing. Fold the sides of the tortilla inward, then roll up the bottom to create a package. Now just repeat the process with the other tortillas, and there you have it. Your special chickpea wraps are ready to be enjoyed. Now show your support for our work by hitting that like button, subscribing to the channel, and sharing this video with your gym buddies. See you in the next one. Until then.